Hey, this is Brian with Classic Ford Broncos. Welcome to my shop. Let me take you inside and show you around. This is my office. This is where I hang out most of the time, do the deals, review leather samples, review paint samples. This is Ryan. He's the project manager. He's who everybody deals with once they're in contract. Classic Ford Bronco was started around 2009. Here we are, 11 years later, building 4 trucks a month with over 60 cars in inventory. Why don't you guys follow me out here, let me show you the shop. This is the final assembly side of the shop. This is where we take the cars from nothing and turn them into a finished product. Everything is done here in-house. We don't need a 60,000 square foot facility. We are efficient with our use, we're efficient with our space, and we're efficient with our guys. We're able to take a car from a bare frame to driving out the door in 3 weeks. We have dedicated teams that build these cars. We've got a team dedicated to electrical. We've got a team that's dedicated to upholstery. We've got a team that's dedicated to the drivetrain of the truck. It makes us efficient and it makes us perfect at assembling and building these cars. Let me show you this station over here. This is where we build our rolling chassis. Once the chassis itself is installed, we then move on to our drivetrain. This is an example of our Coyote engine that we put in all of the trucks that we build now. We told you we build everything in-house. Why don't you come over here and let me show you the paint and body side. So this is the side of the shop that we do all final prep work prior to paint. We talked about the fact that we build 4 trucks every single month. The way that we actually achieve that is because we have 4 trucks going on over here in paint and body work, and we have 4 trucks in final assembly. So what we do is we bring them into our facility, we make sure that the gaps are right, we put them on the original chassis, final prep them, we sand them. Once they're signed off on, we paint everything here. Having our own paint booth gives us the ability to make sure everything is perfect when it comes out of the booth. The other nice thing is we have our own mixing room. Whatever it is the clients want, we mix it here. I walk outside, give it to my painters, they spray it, and mail the same day. So let me show you a couple of our trucks that we have here in the showroom. Our most popular by a landslide is the Brittany Blue truck. We started with the original Brittany Blue paint code. We took it into our paint system, we remixed it ourselves, put our own twist on it, lightened it a little bit, and now this shade of Brittany Blue can only be done here at Classic Ford Broncos. Thanks for taking the time to spend with us today watching the shop tour. Make sure you check us out at classicfordbroncos.com or on Instagram at Classic Ford Broncos. I'm out. See you guys next time.